Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Forest City, North Carolina, and home of Plastic Oddities. Plastic Oddities is the friend of the plumber for over 50 years, providing innovative plumbing solutions for everyday needs. Plastic Oddities was the first company to transition from cast iron plumbing parts into plastic PVC parts, which changed the whole plumbing industry. Plastic Oddities filed 27 patents that created the new plumbing line of the most innovative plumbing products in the industry. The first part designed by Plastic Oddities was the offset toilet flange that was invented and patented in 1973. In 1995, Plastic Oddities was the first plumbing manufacturer to become a full plumbing line vendor with Lowe's. In 2022, Plastic Oddities introduced a new floor sink grate that combined 3 grates into one. And in 2025, they are announcing the new groundbreaking air gap solution for floor drains and floor sinks. By continuously improving and expanding their product offerings, Plastic Oddities strives to support the plumbing industry with practical and effective solutions that enhance everyday life. Plastic Oddities is your official partner for plumbing solutions. They are dedicated to providing innovative, high-quality plumbing products that fulfill their customers' unique requirements.
Plastic Oddities, the original friend of the plumber with products that meet their unique plumbing needs.
They are committed to excellence in design, manufacturing, and customer service, ensuring that their solutions are reliable, efficient, and accessible. Visit their website at plasticoddities.com to see the full product line. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.